Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the text to video feature on DreamFace AI to create a stunning AI generated videos from simple text prompts. So, let's dive in. First, launch a DreamFace AI app on your device. Make sure you log in your credentials. Then on the home screen, look for text to video option. Tap on it to open the feature. Then you'll see a text box where you can type your description. Be as detailed and specific as possible to get a high quality result. Below the text box, you may find option to adjust video length, style, and other settings, and then customize this to fit your vision. And then once you're happy with your prompt and settings, tap Generate or Create. Since this feature requires a payment, you'll need to complete the payment process before the video starts generating. And once the AI generates your video, preview it. If you're happy with the result, tap download to save it to your device. You can also share it directly on social media or other apps. And that's it. Now you know how to create AI videos using the DreamFace AI text to video feature. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.